Teenage year. Hi, my name is Giselle Paola Corrales Carmen. Question about the teenage year. 1. Where were you born? Did you spend your teen there? I was born in Los Palmitos, Sucre, a beautiful municipality. I had always lived there and my adolescence as well. What's one dance you remember about school? What I remember most from school in the excursion with my classmates. It was at the beach and I used to eat green mangoes with salt. What were your best subjects in school and your worst? My best subjects were Spanish and philosophy. I liked them a lot. But I did very badly in chemistry, physics, and math. They were the worst. What did you spend your free time? In my free time, I like to go to eat with my boyfriend or my friend. I also like to go to the movies and sometimes I prefer to sleep. What fashion and trend do you remember from your tenth year? The fashion from year ago were very thin jeans and blues in very strong color. I like neon green and I also remember that camouflage clothes very in trend. What the other things about Beijing and teenager? My time, then we are teenager, we make decisions that are no go and we can disappoint those who look look. What is happiest memory you had of your adolescence? I have many beautiful memories, but the one I always remember is then I went to Santa Marta with my friends. They were magical days. Who was influenced you then you're there a teenager? My parents had always influenced me, especially then it was teenager because I was rebellion at one time. I learned what they always want the best from their children. What do you miss about your teen year? I miss not having so many responsibilities. At, at time, things every time was simpler, but you realize that things are not so, so easy and more is you want to get sometime. What is one piece of advice you would guide to today teenager? Enjoy and be happy. Lightning stand too full and do be anxious. Thank you very much.